What do shopping lists, website menus, and documentation sidebars all have in common? They all rely on the exact same HTML element: lists. It might sound simple, or even a bit boring, but this tiny building block powers navigation across millions of websites. There are 3 types of lists in HTML, and each serves a distinct purpose. First up, ordered lists. These are numbered lists where sequence is critical, like step-by-step recipe instructions or a top 10 ranking. The syntax is super simple and uses 2 nested elements. First is the list container itself, the OL tag, short for, you guessed it, ordered list. It needs an opening and a closing tag, so we can signal to the browser where a list starts and where it ends. Inside those tags, we place our individual list items. Can you guess the tag for them? Yep, Lee, short for list item. And since it usually holds text or even other tags inside, it needs a closing tag too. Now, a fun fact about ordered lists: you aren't limited to standard numbers. You can add a type attribute right into the opening tag and switch between uppercase or lowercase Roman numerals, letters, or numbers. And the best part about lists? They can be nested. You can place lists inside lists, or, to be more accurate, inside the list items themselves. Unordered lists, on the other hand, are your classic bullet points. They follow the exact same structure as ordered lists, but use UL, short for unordered list, instead of OL. They hold the same Lee list items, and yes, they can be nested too. Instead of setting a manual type attribute, which isn't really supported in modern browsers anymore, the browser automatically changes the bullet style based on how deep you nest them. Look, the top-level list gets a solid bullet, the second level turns into an empty circle, and the third level becomes a square. These unordered lists are by far the most popular choice for building website menus, whether horizontal or vertical. I'll show you exactly how to do that in just a moment. Finally, let's shortly cover description lists. They aren't as common, but they definitely exist, so let's give them a few seconds too. Their syntax is a bit unique. Instead of bullets or numbers, a description list organizes information in pairs, like a dictionary term and its definition. You start with a DL wrapper tag. Inside, you use DT for the description term, followed by DD for the description details. By default, the browser renders them with the detailed text indented right underneath the term. They're super handy for key value settings, static FAQ sections, or a quick glossary. Now, let's take everything we just learned about lists and build a real-world 3-section navigation bar. Inside our NAV tag, we start with our brand logo. Just like we learned in the last video, we wrap an IMG tag inside an anchor tag, so clicking the logo takes users straight back home. Section 2 is our main navigation menu, built with an unordered list. Inside our lead tags, we add links for home, about, courses, and contact. But pay attention to the courses item. Inside that lead, we nest a second unordered list with links for HTML, CSS, React, GSAP, Spline, and Framer, a little sneak peek of what's coming next on this channel. Section 3 is our call to action, a single anchor tag for login or register. Right now on screen, it looks like a plain text link at the end of a long bulleted list. But watch what happens when we link our pre-written CSS files. With top-menued CSS connected, the bullet points vanish. The main links align horizontally. Our nested courses list becomes a clean drop-down, and our login link transforms into a styled button resting on the far right. Even better, without changing a single line of HTML, let's swap the link tag to sidebar CSS. Boom. That exact same HTML structure instantly pins to the left side of the screen as a sleek app sidebar, with our login button sitting right at the bottom, just like the sign-in prompt on ChatGPT or Gemini. Same HTML structure, 2 completely different modern layouts. That is the true superpower of semantic HTML. Write clean, structured code first, and let CSS handle the visual transformation. Now, if you want me to dedicate a full video to turning this exact menu into a fully responsive mobile hamburger drawer and break down all the CSS behind it step by step, let me know in the comments below. Grab today's code and cheat sheets over on our Discord server, and keep building.